Hello everyone. In this video, I will be showing you how to generate leads using Google Maps Scrapper. So first, as you can see, this is the lead sniper, a Google Maps scrapper. What you're going to do is to download this and then go to your download folder, extract this one, and go to extensions. And what you're going to do is to simply drag the file that you have extracted earlier to your extension. So this is what it looks like, Lead Sniper Google Maps Scrapper. What you're going to do now next is to go to your extension icon above and pin this one. Okay, so here it is. What you're going to do is to click this. Now here's the thing, in order for you to use this one, all you have to do is to type any keywords here. For example, you're looking for restaurants in Bangkok. All you have to do is to type it right here. And then next thing to do is to click start or the start button here. And then you will see all the results or restaurants in Bangkok. If you want to be more specific, then you can type a specific keyword for that. For the meantime, or for this tutorial, I'm just going to look for restaurants in Bangkok. And here it is. Now, once you have satisfied with the result, what you're going to do is to simply click Lead Sniper and then download everything. So here, what you're going to do, let's just say the number of leads appear here. And what you're going to do is to export this or download the result and get all of the results. So you can download as .csv or download as .xlsx. And then all you have to do once it is finished, and then you can go to the download folder or tap this download icon above and open the file and see all of the files and results. And that's it. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.